Yeah. Okay. Oh. Oh. What is this? Where am I? What the? I have some sort of beach. Where am I? Where did I go? Hello? Can anybody hear me? Hello? Hello? Anybody here? Where are you guys? There's no one. Is anyone up here? Who's there? I'm seeing things. I've been at this for like 9 hours. 9 or something hours. I swear I looked everywhere around this place. There's no one here. I tried breaking the windows. They're like indestructible. I swear I looked in every corner. There's no people. There's vehicles. But they don't work. There's no keys. Or gas, I think. Wait. Oh. I found light. I found a light source. Yes. Yes. Oh, I'm not going to be terrified tonight. I'm like just stuck here. I don't know where to go. Oh my God! What the? What is this? What the? What? This wasn't here before. What the? What the? What the? What the? Wait, wait. Wait. This is my house. Wait a minute, is that the... It is. How did it get here?